Welcome to our channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Hope you liked the previous video. Thank you so much for that. Now, let's start a new video in the name of this holy person who is alone, has no partner. Food is medicine approaches that focus on integrating consistent access to diet and nutrition. Related resources are a critical component to achieve this goal. The approaches are increasingly present across many communities and systems. Foods with powerful medicinal properties. Berries. Numerous studies have found that nutrients and plant compounds in berries combat disease. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale contain a wide array of antioxidants. Fatty fish. Mushrooms. Herbs. Green tea. Berries. The antioxidants in berries could help prevent heart disease and high blood pressure. Soluble fiber helps slow down your digestion and makes you feel fuller for longer, which might make losing weight easier. One study found that doubling your fiber intake may lower how many calories your body absorbs. Various types of berries. Acai berries. Blueberries. Blackberries. Goji berries. Elderberries. Cranberries. Raspberries. Strawberries. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are a group of green foods rich in a range of essential nutrients. When you include them as a regular part of your daily diet, these vegetables are linked with lower rates of many chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Low in calories and high in fiber, cruciferous vegetables also help you feel fuller longer, making them a great addition to weight loss and heart-healthy diets. There are more than 3,000 different cruciferous species, with the most common vegetables including broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, spinach, cabbage, fatty fish. All fish are a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. But fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s and other nutrients in fish may improve heart health. They also may lower the risk of dying of heart disease. Anchovies, herring, mackerel, black cod, salmon, sardines, bluefin tuna, whitefish, striped bass, cobia, mushrooms. A mushroom or toadstool is the fleshy, spore-bearing fruiting body of a fungus typically produced above ground, on soil, or on its food source. Toadstool generally denotes one poisonous to humans. Shiitake, oyster mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, king trumpet, herbs. Consuming herbs may help to prevent and manage heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. It may also help to reduce blood clots and provide anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor properties. The 20 commonly used herbs in the kitchen are basil, parsley, cilantro, mint, rosemary, thyme, oregano, sage, chives, dill, tarragon, marjoram, fennel, lavender, lemon balm, lovage, sorrel, savory, bay leaf, lemongrass, green tea. Green tea is a beverage or dietary supplement that may improve mental alertness, relieve digestive symptoms and headaches, and help with weight loss. Green tea may have benefits for your health and skin. It's been a popular drink as well as a traditional medicine in China and Japan for thousands of years. Green tea varieties by Tea Culture of the World. Decaf Green. This blend comes to you as nature made it, fresh from sun-kissed tea estates, untouched by chemicals. Sencha. Sencha tea is sheer luxury in a teacup. A matcha. A jasmine leaf. A gunpowder. A hojicha.
A lotus tea.
A dragonwell. Nice to share this little information with you. I hope you will like it, and you will encourage me. If you want us to share this kind of information with you, then like, follow, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Thank you so much.